everybody, this is Dustin Across, just bringing you the latest and rare LJ Rubicon. Start with the AEV Highline kit hood that it has. Under that Highline hood is a 5.7 liter HEMI. It was a crate motor that was installed with about 14,500 miles on the chassis. It only has approximately 16,000 miles on it right now. So obviously really low mileage, has some really rare parts. Rokmen front and rear bumpers, which they were a accessory company for Wrangler for a short time. They made high-end bumpers and accessories, so you can't even get some of these parts anymore. Coupled with the low mileage, this one is just really special, really rare. Just don't see stuff like this anymore.